What's going on, you guys? I have another recipe here for you guys today. It is wings, the drumettes, and the flats. I have them seasoned up with the Bray Miller Market Jamaican Island jerk seasoning. And I'm going to be saucing it up with the Bray Miller Market raspberry chipotle sauce. So, I added some ginger, black pepper, salt, and sazon, of course. Mixed it up. I'm about to marinate it for about an hour and then pop that joint on the grill and get saucing. Alright, so it's been about an hour. I'm gonna put these in the Ninja